Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss the solution that you can use if your mouse wheel is not working. So this is a very common problem that occurs in most of the Windows computers, wherein after a few tries or a few sessions your mouse wheel stops working. Like it's scrolling but it isn't showing any effect on your Windows PC. So what do you need to do in that case? First of all, you need to make sure that your mouse is attached properly to your system. Maybe check the port on which the mouse is attached or try to change the port and see if it works. If that also not works, then the solution is discussed in this video. Just go to the search bar and type in control panel. So control panel would be brought up like this. Now in case your control panel is also looking something like this, then what you need to do is just go to view by and change it from category to large or small icons. Either of it will work. So let's just change it to large icons for now, and as soon as you do that, you will see a bunch of different options visible in front of you. One of those options is a mouse, so let's just click on mouse. Here you will find a mouse properties dialog box. So from here, go to buttons. Make sure that the speed is between slow and fast. It is not too slow, it is not too fast. It is just in the between. Not exactly in the between, but something like here. If it is not, then change it so that it is over here. Then click on apply and click on OK. And that should fix your issue. In case that doesn't fix, go to wheel option. Make sure the vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling both have the same value. In my case it is 3 and 3 is system recommended. But in your case, if you come to this mouse properties dialog box and notice 3, still your mouse wheel is not working, then you can change it to a 5 or a 7. First change it to 5 for both the values. Click on apply and OK and see if it is working. If it does not, then change it to a 7 and then click on apply. That should work for you. Once it's done, then your problem of wheel scrolling of the mouse would be solved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.